Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the BOHO series. So today we're going to be designing a poster just like this. And let's just start. So first thing, let's just create a new document, 1700 by 2400, and just press create. Great. Now I'll just get my Illustrator tools back, as always. I'm sorry. So let's just get that for reference. I want to talk a little bit about it. So first thing we want to do is actually, normally what we do, we create like a brush that contains all the leaves. Today we're actually going to do something different. We're going to actually, every leaf will be different. So we're going to make a brush for each leaf. And then the tail, I don't know the name actually. It will be just like a normal stroke that then we're going to edit. So let's go. Let's just leave it this here for reference. So the first thing I want to do is just get the stroke here and make a really nice stroke and just make it 10, maybe a little bit thicker. 16 would be alright. And again, using the width tool here, we're gonna start designing like a really nice leaf. So I'm gonna start like making something like this here, and then here actually gonna make it a little bit shorter, and I'm gonna make this a little bit like thinner here, so actually have like some different style. Let's make it like this, and maybe another one here. Let's try to make it like as imperfect and organic as we can. So maybe this one goes a little bit thicker here, and then gets a little bit smaller, because nature is not like symmetric. It's very like a little bit organic, as you can see. Like outside, there is no like a tree is not a symmetric thing, so it is nice when we do the same in design. So this will be our leaf, and let's start. Let's just go to window and get our brushes tool here, and with our leaf selected, let's just drag it to the brush to a tab here. Let's make it a hard brush, press OK, and then on the direction I'm gonna use the bottom to top, perfect, and then press OK. So our brush is done. Next thing, let's just make a really nice tail. Kale, I still don't know the name for that, I'm so sorry. Let's just leave it like this. I'm gonna get the pencil tool here, and I'm gonna make like something more wavy as well. Gonna make it a really nice stroke, maybe 12, maybe a little bit more actually, 18. Perfect. And I'm gonna get my brush tool here, my paint brush tool, select the brush, and now we're gonna start designing some really nice leaves with our new brush tool. New brush that we just made. Let's just make this a little bit like this, maybe a smaller one here. Gonna make a few big ones first. See where we go with this. Something like this, maybe a little bit like this, and then I'm gonna actually then select a few of them and make it smaller. Just going to actually make this smaller now and then paint it in. So we want to create a really nice variation in between them. So we have like some ones are like older ones, so they're a little bit bigger, and then we have like smaller ones as well. Something like this. And let's just see if we can make a new one there. Maybe we're gonna make even another smaller one there. Something like, oh my god, it's like fighting with the Illustrator again. Gonna select this one, I'm gonna make it even smaller. So yeah, another one here with a little bit smaller scale now. Just try to populate this with really nice leaves. Perfect. So the plant is done. The next thing we want to do is actually customize a little bit of this stroke as well. Let's get our width tool again back, and let's just make this a little bit thinner there. Let's just select the point there. Not this one, this one. Select it, and width tool. Gonna leave it that like that, and here I'm going to just not use this one there. Gonna just do it here, see if I can make it a little bit thinner. Perfect. Now I think I can match it a little bit better. Yeah. I will just try to match it as better as I can, but not be very precious about it. Cool. Just going to do the same thing for here. Actually, why is it selecting those ones? I have no idea why. I don't want it to select those. I'm gonna just lock them for a little bit, and Command 2 to lock the layers. And now I can actually just select one here. I'm gonna make this like Kale a little bit like organic as well, with different sizes. I think when he has like the sleeves, it gets a little bit thicker. Create a really nice variation as well for it. Something like this, and then gets thinner again, gets thicker again. Maybe gets a little bit thicker here. And then here a little bit, and then it gets maybe a little bit thinner, and then thicker again. Just create a really nice organic shape for it. Nice. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I want it to be like imperfect, and that will be the perfection. I don't know if you like imperfect is sometimes is the best way to go. Let's just unlock these paths here. Unlock path. I think I will need to unlock it all individually, but that will be really annoying. Yeah, I think I will. Just unlock it really quick. I'm sorry for this. Maybe if I go inside of the layer. Yeah. Cool. So now we're going to select all of our leaves and elements. I'm going to Object and then Expand Appearance. And then I'm going to Window, Pathfinder to get our Pathfinder tool and connect all of them using the Unite tool. And then I'm going to simplify, right click, simplify, try to reduce a little bit of the number of points. Not too much, so we don't lose the shape, but right now there is a lot that we don't need. Something more like this. Perfect, and I'm going to actually refine this one here. Going to make it a little bit more elegant. Just try to select this one, make this smoother. Perfect. So yeah, we have our organic element done. A botanical element, that's a better way to say it. And next thing we need to make these like stains of color. Let's just call it stains of color. It's a very abstract style. That's why I think I like it so much, is because it's like these bubbles don't need to mean anything. It's just like a really nice color there, and we know like there is not much to tell about it. It's just they are just nice. That's it. I don't know. It's just there is no story. They are not there for any reason. Just the reason is just to be nice. So let's just actually get our pencil tool in here and just make a really nice bubbles like this. They don't need to be perfect. Actually, the less perfect they are, I think the better. And let's just make another one here. Create some nice variation. Try to make it connect actually. Like this. Add a nice color as well, maybe like light green. Oh, I didn't tell you. I think you already know by now, but the colors I'm using, I'm going to Window and then Swatches Libraries, and then you go to Art History, and then I'm using the Impressionism color library, which is a really cool one. Love these colors. And get the pencil tool again. Just make it a little bit like this. Perfect. Make it purple. And turn it to the back. It's actually looking, again, it's always looking better the second time I make it. And press N for the pencil tool again. That's a shortcut. I'm sorry, I just don't know. And let's just, oh no, I lost it. Let's go back. Render. Let's make this yellow maybe. Yeah, 4 colors, why not? And great, let's just group this. Right click, group it, align to the artboard, maybe align by eye actually. Let's make a nice background with the rectangle tool here, and a nice background with a nice color. Send it to the back, and voila. I think this style is so simple and so easy, and it's so beautiful in the end. I don't know how long was this tutorial by now, but how quick was this? And how beautiful it is. It's just insane. I love this style. Sorry, I will always keep saying how much I like this style. And yeah, I think this is it. We are learning how to make brushes now and how to make really cool boho inspired artwork. I'm gonna make a really nice, like, something to show the colors here, like a color palette here, and make a really nice color palette. I really like this, like, showed like a little system of colors here. Maybe I will leave it like that actually, and so we actually keep tracking of the colors that we are using on the poster, which is really cool. And yeah, hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments if you're actually liking this series, and if this is a good idea, making like a series of like tutorials. Please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and also I will be providing the working files for this, so you're gonna have access to this file that I just made. And by actually downloading the file, you're actually helping me, because the link with the download link has like a few ads on it. So when you click it, you see like a page with ads for 5 seconds. I'm so sorry for that, but and then you just download the file from my Google Drive. I'm really sorry for that, but that was the way I found to monetize this channel a little bit faster than waiting for YouTube to actually, start monetize me. And yeah, just downloading it takes you 5 seconds, you get this file, and you're actually helping me in a way. And yeah, cheers. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. Please, if this is the first video you're watching of this series, please check the first 3 ones. I think this is number 4. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.